What's up? What's up? Welcome to Luziro Media TV. We dey bring update as e dey hot, man. Flight wey dey come from Yola to Abuja. As e reach Abuja airport, na so as e wan land, na so the tire burst. Come dey catch fire, but glory be to God say not last. Fire service, everybody gather, then off the light. So last, nobody die, nothing happen. Na the gist wey dey this evening be that o. Thank God. Today would have been a very bad Sunday, but by the special grace of God, nobody died, no life was lost. So my brothers and sisters, na so the thing take happen today. So I wan drop the video now, make una see as the thing take happen, make una see as the flight wey, as the person wey dey when the thing happen, wetin he talk in speech, as he take talk am when the thing happen. Make una watch the video. Thank you.
Rough landing and the tire busted with more than 70 passengers on board, and emergency rescue just arrived to save people. The situation is tragic, and this is what Nigerians found themselves this afternoon. Max Air from Yola to Abuja. Evacuation has taken place and people are going to arrivals. The personnel of the fire service are taking control of the city.
Hope so una don't see am. Finally, nothing happened. Thank God for that. It's a wonderful Sunday. For tire to burst, you know what is supposed result. But I thank God say nothing happened. Last, nobody died, no life was lost. Nice one. God, you really tried today. Thank you. So please, I beg, make una try subscribe to this channel, follow this YouTube channel, comment, like, share, so that others go dey see am. As you dey enjoy the update, now so some people go still like to enjoy am, but maybe most of them no subscribe to this channel. Make una subscribe so that others go dey see am. If una share, others go dey see am. They go follow una, dey watch am. Thank you very much and God bless you. Have a lovely day.